Welcome back. So in this tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate how the GoRoute connector uses and connects with the Dynamic 365 Business Central. So we can actually create invoices right here using a Dynamic 365, and GoRoute will actually pick those invoices up and you will see them landing in the transactions page using our connector. So before I begin, let me navigate first. Let's get back to the Dynamics, and since I'm logged in to the Dynamics Business Central, and here's our organization, I'm just going to go ahead and just create an invoice, and I'll demonstrate how easy it is. And not just the invoice itself, but we also have built-in functionality where you can actually check the lookup participant on the fly. Make sure that the VAT number is valid or not, for example, for the buyer or the seller. So let's dive right in. Let's go to sales, and I'm going to go ahead and click on sales invoices. And once I'm on that page, I'm going to go ahead and simply create a new invoice. So notice when I create a new invoice, it brings up the new invoice fields where I can just fill it out, right? Because I have the sample data here for the demo company. I can simply pick the customer name, and this will be the Adatum Corporation, for example. And it automatically populates the posting date, the due date, and so on. And then, of course, the line items. I'm just going to go ahead and fill out some data here for the line items. Just pick anything, right? For example, how about a project fee here? And then give it a quantity. Let's say 1. If it's only for 1 hour, but typically, let's say it's about, how about 7 hours of fee? And I'll just enter the unit price. That's about $2.50 per hour in OMR. My tax area is Muscat, of course, since I'm working in Oman. And this is either non-taxable or taxable. So there are two types of invoices we can create. We can, of course, create a B2B or a B2C. And we know that the Oman Tax Authority, they mandate the B2C invoices to have a QR code. So I'm going to demonstrate both. So first, I'm going to pick the taxable because our consulting fees is taxable. So I'm going to go ahead and say, let's say materials. And it automatically adds the 5% VAT and gives us the total. So say, for example, this invoice is now ready to go, and all we need to do is post. Now, before I actually click post, let's verify whether this company exists on the Peppol network or not. And the SMP, which is the OTA, is basically acting as the service metadata publisher itself, or just to basically, in other words, making sure that this company is registered with the OTA or not. So I'm going to click on more options, and under actions, we have created a built-in functionality called Check Peppol Recipient. And as soon as I click on this, it automatically scans the network and makes sure that this VAT ID right here is registered on the Peppol network and accepts Oman Pent invoices. Perfect. So no need to worry about whether you're inputting a valid or invalid VAT ID. If it's valid, it's going to show you this. And this is under the action drop-down. So our invoice is ready to go. We are going to go ahead and click post. And as soon as I click post, it asks me, do you want to post the invoice? I'm going to say yes. And it's going to work on it. And it's going to send the invoice. Now the invoice has been posted, right? And now I have the option to open the posted invoice. I'm going to click on yes. And as soon as I open the posted invoice, you notice on the right-hand side, you will see the GoRoute panel, which is great. Since it's a business to business or B2B invoice, you will not see the QR code, right? Because that's not required. However, I'm going to go ahead and I can just simply take a look at the details here of my invoice because it's posted. And on the menu here under more options, under actions, now I will see the option of GoRoute, and I can simply send this to GoRoute. If this was a B2C invoice, then I would select this and it will send the invoice and generate a QR code. So I'm going to go ahead and just simply click on send to GoRoute, and this invoice is now sent to our platform and gives you the message as well. So I'm going to click OK to this. Let's validate. Let's check it out. So let's navigate to our platform. Make sure you sign in and you have an account. And once you're signed in, you will simply navigate to the transactions on the left sidebar. Now, once you click on transactions on the left sidebar, for example, let me go ahead and do that. you will notice that your invoice has been delivered, which is right here. It's just instantaneous, right? In milliseconds, it's actually pulling data from the Dynamics 365 and keeping it in the transactions page. Click on preview invoice and they will give you the actual invoice, which is again the same company, same corporation, Muscat. And let's verify the project fee. Perfect, right here. We charged a project fee of 7 hours at 250 OMR per hour, and here are the details. And this tax data, this 87.5 is reported to the tax authority, has already rather been reported to the tax authority. So you can see the preview of the invoice, you can print it out, and so on. So this is just everything fully automated. So all you do is just create invoices in Dynamics 365, and you'll have all of the record in GoRoute, which will do the e-invoicing for you, which will report your tax data to the OTA and keep the invoice. And of course, the platform has several other robust features like reports, lookup recipient, archive for compliance purposes, and so on. So I'm not going to cover all of this in this tutorial. You can check out other videos which talks about the entire platform availability and the features. So not only in transactions, if I navigate to sales invoices, which is accounts receivable, since we sent an invoice, so it will land here as well. Same invoice, but it's easier to take a look at in the accounts receivable as well. Okay, all right, perfect. So that's it. We have this here. Now let me demonstrate the B2C invoice, so you'll be able to see the QR code as well. How exciting, right? Perfect. So let's go ahead and create a new invoice one more time. So I click on new, for example, and this will bring up the same dialog box, sales invoice. I'm going to go ahead and pick the same customer here, the Adderton Corporation. And of course, scroll down to the line items, and here, let's go ahead and pick the same, maybe project fee or anything that has, or let's say you're doing a cash sale, right? For example, let's say you're doing a project fee here again, same example, and this instance is just going to be 1 hour, and we're going to say this is non-taxable. Okay, so we're going to keep it as non-taxable, and then of course the total. So and the unit price would be 1.6 or whatever value that you want to put in. I'm just going to leave it as is, so you know exactly what this means. The important part here is to take a look at the tax group code, which is non-taxable. So that means it's a cash sale, and the tax authority mandates that we need to have a QR code generated. And GoRoute is fully connected. Our connector is fully integrated with the Business 365 or Dynamics 365. All right, perfect. So once we have all the data, so I'm going to go ahead and before I post the invoice, of course, you can always go back to actions and make sure you check the Peppol recipient, which we have done already. So we know that's true. So I'm going to go ahead and simply post this invoice right here. Once I'm done, I'm going to post it. So do you want to post this invoice? Let's click on yes. It's going to go through the same process. Now, once I open this posted invoice and want to take a look at this, you will notice that on the right-hand side, it's going to go ahead and not generate the QR code yet because we have not sent this invoice to GoRoute. Now, all I need to do is just go to actions, GoRoute, and then this time I will select the send a B2C, which is simply a B2C invoice with a QR code. So issue the sale as an Oman simplified tax invoice, validated, reported to the tax authority, and of course everything is at compliance with the OTA. So let's go ahead and click on this, and as soon as I do that, it sends the invoice, gives me the message right here, and guess what? There you go. So you will have the QR code displayed, you will have the UUID displayed, which is mandatory, the date and time. And of course, you can take a look at right here in your Dynamics, Business Dynamics 365. Awesome. So that's it. Just navigate back to the GoRoute dashboard just to verify and make sure we have it in the transactions. And it should say right here, perfect. And this is a B2C, so that means there should be a QR code when I preview this invoice. So click on it, preview it, and let's scroll down, and there you go. So perfect. So now we know that this was a cash sale. So in this tutorial, just wanted to quickly demonstrate both B2B, B2C, the power of GoRoute platform, and then how seamlessly it connects with the Dynamics 365 Business Central. So I hope this helps. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.